Hello and welcome to Shivanomics, where economics meets clarity. Let's start with a simple situation. Suppose रात के 9 बजे हैं. You could just chill with Netflix or open your books and study. दोनों options अपने आप में valuable हैं. For example, Netflix will provide you with entertainment and relaxation, and if you study, it will provide you with knowledge and help in your career progression. But जब आप एक option choose करते हो, you quietly let go of the other. That hidden cost, the value of what you gave up, that's your opportunity cost. So let's understand about opportunity cost in a detailed manner. Let's get this straight. Opportunity cost is not about price tags or money alone. It's about choices. Formally speaking, economists define opportunity cost as the value of the next best alternative foregone when a choice is made. In simple words, when you choose one thing, you miss out on something else. That missed option, that's your opportunity cost. This isn't limited to paisa. It could be your time, comfort, or even experiences you miss out on. Let's break it down. Opportunity means alternatives, the options that you had. Cost is what you give up, जो आप छोड़ देते हो. Every choice comes with gain as well as sacrifice. So when you choose one thing, you are automatically giving up something else. That loss, that next best alternative, that is your opportunity cost. So, why does opportunity cost exist? The answer is scarcity. Our resources are limited. Time, money, labor, skills, all these are limited. Which means if you choose to use a resource for one purpose, you are automatically giving up the chance to use it for something else. In other words, choosing one option always means sacrificing another. बस सिंपल सी बात है, एक चीज चुनोगे तो दूसरी चीज छोड़नी पड़ेगी, और जो आप दूसरी चीज छोड़ते हो, दैट इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, you have rupees 1000 with you. You could go for a fancy dinner or take a short online course with that money. अगर आप डिनर चूज करते हो, your opportunity cost is the skills and career growth foregone which you could have gained by taking that online course. अगर आप online course चूज करते हो तो आपकी opportunity cost है the fun and memories with your friends which you could have made by having that fancy dinner. So अगर आप डिनर चूज करते हो तो आपको कोर्स गिव अप करना पड़ेगा, कोर्स चूज करते हो तो आपको डिनर गिव अप करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज दैट मनी, दैट 1000 rupees is limited. Resources are scarce and you have to make a choice. Second example is job offer in two cities. Suppose आपके पास दो options हैं. You can take a job in city A that will provide you with rupees 10 lakh per year and that is close to your family. And another option is city B. That job provides you with rupees 12 lakh per year but that is away from your family. सो अगर आप सिटी ए वाली जॉब को चूज करते हो तो आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट है उस केस में रुपीज 2 लाख एक्स्ट्रा इनकम, क्योंकि आपको जो सिटी बी थी वहां पे 12 लाख मिल रहे थे तो यहाँ पे आपको 2 लाख कम मिल रहे हैं, तो दैट इज योर अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. बट अगर आप सिटी बी वाली जॉब चूज करते हो अवे फ्रॉम योर फैमिली तो यहाँ पे आपकी अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट हो जाएगी डेली फैमिली टाइम एंड सपोर्ट, दैट इज फॉरगोन, क्योंकि इस केस में आप अपनी फैमिली से दूर हो गए. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज रिगार्डिंग गवर्नमेंट स्पेंडिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गवर्नमेंट के पास एक स्पेसिफाइड बजट है, उसके साथ इट कुड बिल्ड अ न्यू हॉस्पिटल या फिर अ न्यू हाईवे. अगर गवर्नमेंट चूज करती है हॉस्पिटल बिल्ड करना तो यहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट होएगी इम्प्रूव्ड कनेक्टिविटी एंड ट्रेड बेनिफिट्स फॉरगोन, क्योंकि जो आपको हाईवे बिल्ड करने से मिलते. अगर गवर्नमेंट हाईवे बिल्ड करना चूज करती है तो इस केस में अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट होगी बेटर हेल्थ केयर एंड हेल्थ आउटकम्स फॉरगोन. तो ऑब्वियसली आप दोनों नहीं चूज कर सकते क्योंकि रिसोर्सेज स्कार्स हैं, तो अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट अराइजेस इन एवरी डिसीजन दैट वी टेक. By now it must be clear that opportunity cost isn't just what you pay, it's also what you miss. And that brings us to two important types of costs: explicit cost and implicit cost. अगर हम एक्सप्लिसिट कॉस्ट की बात करें तो दैट इज द एक्चुअल पेमेंट दैट you make in money. It's easily recorded in books or receipts. For example, अगर आप 5,000 रुपीज़ पे कर रहे हो फॉर योर यूपीएससी कोचिंग, बाइंग अ बुक फॉर रुपीज़ 800, स्पेंडिंग रुपीज़ 3,000 ऑन डिनर, these costs are tangible. You can see the money leaving your wallet. Second type of cost is implicit cost. It is the hidden sacrifice. For example, leaving a 50,000 per month job to study full time, giving up sleep or mental peace to meet a deadline, or using your own room for a home business instead of renting it out. These costs don't appear in your bank statement, but they are very real. They are about missed opportunities, the value of what you could have earned, learned, or enjoyed elsewhere. So, opportunity cost is explicit as well as implicit costs. For example, let's say if you are preparing full time for UPSC or any other competitive exam and you paid around 1 lakh for coaching, that is your explicit cost. And if you quit a job that paid around rupees 50,000 or 60,000 per month, that is your implicit cost. So, total opportunity cost is your coaching fee, that is explicit cost, plus the salary that you gave up, that is your implicit cost. So always remember, opportunity cost includes both what you pay directly and what you give up silently. Let's come to the points you must remember. Opportunity cost is not just about money, it can be time, peace of mind, energy, or learning. It's not all options that you give up, just the next best one. If there is no choice involved, then there is no opportunity cost. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ देर इज़ नो स्कार्सिटी, तो कोई चॉइस की ऑप्शन ही नहीं आएगी और कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट का कंसेप्ट ही नहीं आएगा. Why it matters. Smart decision makers, from students to CEOs to prime ministers, think in terms of opportunity cost. It helps you take decisions that involves a trade-off, and obviously हमारे सब decisions में trade-off तो होता ही है. So understanding opportunity cost helps making better choices. It helps us prioritize what really matters, it makes trade offs visible, and it keeps us mindful of what we are giving up with every yes. In economics, we often use PPC, that is Production Possibility Curve, to visualize the concept of opportunity cost. It shows how limited resources force choices between two goods. The PPC makes trade offs visible. It reminds us every gain has a cost. For example, अगर हम ड्रॉ करें एक्स एक्सिस वाई एक्सिस, सपोज यहाँ पे गुड 1 है, गुड 2 है, and this is our PPC. If we are producing here, we are producing this much quantity of good 1, and our opportunity cost in this case is the amount of good 2 foregone. और अगर हम बात करें for producing every additional unit of x, the amount of y that you have to give up is your marginal opportunity cost. अगर A से B तक जाने में कितना amount of good one that you have to give up is your marginal opportunity cost. So the PPC shows that every extra unit produced comes at a cost, the cost of the alternative that you gave up. It's just another way economists say there is no such thing as a free lunch. Now, coming to the quick revision of what we have studied so far. Opportunity cost is the next best alternative foregone. It includes explicit as well as implicit cost. It applies to time, money, efforts, and much more. It helps in making smarter as well as clearer decisions. So, next time you are choosing Netflix over books, you know exactly what it's costing you. If you have any thoughts, questions, or confusions, please drop them in comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, choose wisely. As you know, every choice has a cost.